Hi everyone. If you have ever been confused about the difference between I did and I've done, you are not alone. Today, we are making English grammar easy by looking at the past simple and the present perfect. I'll explain the difference in a simple way, give you real life examples, and help you avoid some common mistakes English learners make. So let's start by understanding the difference between past simple and present perfect. Past simple. It is used for actions that are finished and happened at a specific time in the past. We often use it with the time expressions like yesterday, last week, in 2010, 2 days ago. For example, I visited Paris last year. She finished the report this morning. Even if we don't always say the exact time, it's clear the action is completely in the past. Present perfect. It is used for actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past but are connected to the present moment. We often use words like just, already, yet, ever, never, so far, recently, or since, for. For example, I have visited Paris before. She has finished the report. So the time is not important. What matters is the result or experience now. Here's a quick comparison. Past simple. I lost my keys yesterday. Present perfect. I have lost my keys and I still don't have them. So with present perfect, the past action affects the present. Now let's look at another example. Past simple. He left the office at 6 p.m. It happened in the past and it's finished. Present perfect. He has left the office. He's not here now. It affects the present. Here's a tip to help you decide. Ask yourself, is the action finished and only in the past? Use past simple. If the action has a connection to now, or if the time isn't specific, use present perfect. Now, let's practice. Write 2 sentences, one using past simple, something you did yesterday, and one using present perfect, something you've done recently. Write them in the comments. I'll help you correct them. Now you know the difference between past simple and present perfect and how to use them correctly. Practice them in the comments below and I'll check your sentences. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.